Welcome to the Auto Vault. Today, we bring you the legendary Ford Coupe Hot Rods, the ultimate symbol of classic American muscle and custom car culture. These cars, especially the 1932 Ford Deuce Coupe and the 1940 Ford Coupe, are icons in the world of street racing, drag racing, and hot rod modifications. Let's dive into their history, design, performance, custom modifications, and legacy to see what makes them so special. 1. History. The birth of hot rodding. Ford Coupes became the foundation of hot rod culture in the 1940s and 1950s, as enthusiasts started modifying these lightweight cars for speed. 1932 Ford Coupe Deuce Coupe, the most famous hot rod platform, loved for its lightweight body and powerful flathead V8. 1940 Ford Coupe, a sleeker design, popular for drag racing and street rods. 1950s and 60s custom era, the golden age of hot rods, with custom paint jobs, chopped roofs, and big V8s. 2. Design. Classic looks with a custom twist. A Ford Coupe hot rod is all about attitude and style. Some signature design elements include low, chopped roof for an aggressive stance, exposed engines with chrome headers and superchargers, custom flames, pinstripes, or high-gloss paint jobs, wide rear tires for extra grip and raised rear suspension for drag racing. Classic grille designs, round headlights, and a minimalist interior. 3. Engine and performance. Raw American power. Hot rods are built for speed, with some of the most powerful engines ever swapped into a classic coupe. Some common engine choices include flathead V8 1930s-40s, the original hot rod engine, known for its deep growl. Small block Chevy or Ford V8s, reliable and easy to modify. Big block V8s with superchargers, extreme power and high-speed performance. Modern 5.0L Coyote V8 swaps, classic style with modern reliability. Performance specs depending on mods. Horsepower: 251,000 plus HP, 0 to 60 mph, as low as 3.5 seconds. Top speed: over 150 miles per hour. 4. Modifications. Making it your own. Every hot rod coupe is unique, thanks to custom modifications, including chopped and channeled bodywork for a lower stance, side exit exhausts and open headers for a loud, aggressive sound, custom leather interiors with classic or modern touches, disc brakes and coil-over suspension for better handling, classic whitewall tires or slick drag radials. 5. The hot rod legacy. A culture of speed and style. Hot rods have been a major part of car culture, Hollywood movies, and racing events for decades. Some famous appearances include American Graffiti, 1973, featuring a yellow 32 Ford Coupe. Drag racing circuits and hot rod magazines. SEMA, Good Guys, and other custom car shows. 6. Pricing and collectability. Classic 1932 Ford Coupe, stock condition, $30,000 minus $80,000. Fully custom hot rod builds, $50,000 minus $250,000 plus. Restomod and modern performance swaps, $100,000 plus. Final thoughts. The ultimate custom coupe. If you love classic American muscle, loud exhausts, and handcrafted modifications, a Ford Coupe hot rod is a dream car for any enthusiast. Would you drive a classic hot rod coupe? Let us know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe to the Auto Vault for more classic car reviews. Thank you very much.